Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. In this video, we're going to learn how to edit the permissions of an existing role. So let's get started. On your workspace, go to Team on the left, and here on your Team's dashboard, click on Manage Roles. Look for the role, the permission of which you'd like to edit, and click on it. First, click on Duplicate and Edit. You can then rename this duplicate role to whatever you'd like to call it, and you can also even add a description of it here. Once you're done with that, go to the Permissions section and look for the role, the permission of which you'd like to edit. Now go ahead and remove or add permissions as you need to. Once you're done, make sure to review all of your changes to avoid any mistakes. Then, once everything's all good, click on Save. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.